this today's tutorial, we are going to learn about two major things. One is how are we going to transfer material at different floors using AGVs, and what is that we are going to use in order to transfer the material to different floors, and that is going to be an elevator. Okay, and this is what we are going to learn in today's tutorial, so stay tuned till the end of this video.
If you're looking for FlexSim simulation support, or looking for training courses related to simulation, or if you're looking for digital twin solutions, or you're looking for engineering automation, you're on a right page. Visit Leansimcorp.com and be a member now to get access and support in all these domains.
Let us understand about using elevators. Elevator is a simple thing which is there in the process. Here in the library you need to drag it out. So you're going to drag the elevators in this way. And if you go into the process flow, in the process flow you're going to have an AGV elevator model already there, which we have already pulled in. And this is that AGV elevator. You have to do nothing. No changes to be made into this model. The only thing you have to do is you need to click on this process flow and you need to select the elevator which we're going to use. Okay, once you do that, basically this elevator process flow automatically takes care of supplying AGVs to different floors. Okay, so we took AGV elevator process flow. Now the next task for us is to ensure that the part with required type goes to respective floor sinks. Okay, so for that what we have done is we have created a new list, and that is the item list. And in this item list what we have done is we are going to push the items. I'll show you. Where we do push that, we push it in the staging area, which is already covered in the last video if you would have looked into. We are sending to the port item list 1. Okay, so we are sent to port is also, and then we are using the to transfer from the item list. So these two things you need to do here: send to port, push to item list, and then use transport as well. Okay, with the item list. These are basically going to transfer your task to the list, and then when you go to this sinks, here you're supposed to pull. Okay, and the pull, if you click on, you're going to select the item list 1, and you're going to put in a query that load time 1 should come here. Similarly here, if you look at over time, we have used same list and we have told that the type 2 should come here, and pull from list which was there for this queue working, right? We have unchecked that, and that's where the part will not go here and parts will be going here. So how this logic works is the processor sends the items to the item list and the sync pulls it from the item list 1 the moment part arrives there. And then I'll just run this and show you. So the moment the task arrives here, AGV gets the task, AGV works from the AGV work list, then it is going to transfer this material as it has been pulled by the sync. Okay, and it will be supplied to the respective sync which has been pulling that. And then if you could look at these elevator process flow which we just used, is basically going to help us transfer the AGVs to the respective floor and help them transfer this material respectively to the required sources. And this is how this greatly this AGV model works related to AGV material transfer on different floors using elevators. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to channel, and do not forget to visit our tutorials app.leansimcorp.com, where we have premium tutorial access, and visit our community.leansimcorp.com where we can discuss different questions and their answers. If you also need this model for your reference, practicing and look that into detail, let me know in the comment section as well. So see you in the next tutorial where we're going to understand more advanced feature of these AGVs, and we are going to be transferring the parts based on cycle times and much more. So stay tuned. See you then in the next tutorial. Till then, keep watching Leansimcorp, keep simulating.